Today I want to talk about stiffness of the fingers and one important thing not to do, and that's forceful movements. Welcome back to the Hand to Shoulder Solution, where pain meets its match. I'm your host, Carl Petitto. I'm an occupational therapist and a board-certified hand therapist. I specialize in the rehabilitation of orthopedic conditions that affect the fingertips through the shoulder. Today I want to talk about stiffness of the fingers and one important thing not to do, and that's forceful movements. So the small joints of the fingers are very intolerant to forceful movements. Any stretching should be done slow and steady, and all the fingers should move down together. It's important to note that they are connected in the back, and you can see some of these connections right here where there's the tendon which connects the bones to the muscles down into the forearm, but then horizontally there's these connections. So if, for example, you're stretching your middle finger because your middle finger is really stiff from arthritis, and you're holding the other ones kind of out of the way, then you're having a tethering effect, and the other ones are resisting the stretch that you're giving to your middle finger. So if they just go all together, that makes all of the difference. You'll get a better stretch.